Central 639, I had a collision with the 400.
235 Old Hayward, revive.
Old Hayward. At 639, hold position, read back.
639 holding position.
235, read back, correct.
639, read back is correct. Time 10:53. Shane 443, Richmond 1, 443, hold position, read back.
443 hold position. Yeah, my doors just popped open, and I'm outside of the platform.
443, read back is correct. Time 10:53. Trade control 380.
639, my door is just popped outside the station as well.
10-4, can you close the doors? Can you, 443, 639, close your doors if you can, and we'll start sweeping your trains out of service, please. 441, Richmond 2, 441, hold position, read back. 443, new call sign 950. Again, sweep your train out of service, please.
443 950. Swing train out.
639, new call sign 951. Sweep your train out of service.
639, 951.
And 951, just confirm your doors were able to close again.
Mayfair doors closed.
Train 950, just confirm your doors are closed. Richmond platform 1.
56.
And just confirm your doors are also closed. You were able to reclose your doors after they popped.
Doors are closed.
10-4, let me know when you're done with your sweep on the Richmond yard end, please.
Copy.
Train 441, Richmond 2, train 441 in road manual, and the R2 track to milepost 12.0, restriction proceed with caution, read back.
Train 441 in road manual and the R2 track to milepost 12.0, restriction proceed with caution. Central 2270, speed 17 decibels.
PO at milepost 12.0. Stand by 1 second. And you can return to ATO at milepost 12.0, again, Richmond Hold Richmond Station, times 10:57. Let me know if everything is clear for ATO, both those trains to your left, door spots. Let me know if there's anyone's wait time, please.
10-4.
3, we're clear about work area.
951 Central, 951 approaching at Richmond 1. Richmond Station agent, go ahead.
Is there any assistance needed from me on the R1 track with the 2 trains?
10-9.
Is there any assistance needed from me with the 2 trains on the R1 track?
Hey, if you can head up to the platform, we're currently sweeping both trains and checking for any injuries.
Copy.
Central 3, good. I understand you're swept. Just confirm you're on the Richmond end, and let me know if there are any injuries to report, please.
951 on the Richmond end, no injuries, no passengers.
951, thank you very much. And 950, can you let me know if there was any injuries on your train?
He just reboarded his train, so he's headed to his cab.
Different.
No, it's on 0. No injuries. Train is swept. Headed back to the cab, Richmond.
950, 10-4.
It's just train 441, trackway clear.
441, 10-4, thank you very much. Time's 11.